Okay, so you already bugged this question last lesson. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to talk through what I would pick up on if I was bugging the question. And it would be interesting for you to go back and see if you picked up those key things. So both of these texts are about waste. So clearly both is a key word. You are going to have to talk about both texts all the way through. Compare is your key word as well. Compare means you are not going to write about one text several points and then write about the other text. It means you are going to take one thing about one text and compare it to the other. You're going to take another thing from the first text and compare it to the second. You're going to take a third thing from the first text and compare it to the second. Very short, specific comparisons. Then you are asked, so you should have highlighted writers' attitudes and you should have highlighted how. Those are the most important words. You may well have highlighted extra words, and that's fine, but I would expect writers' attitudes and how to be highlighted. So the writers' attitudes to waste is what are their attitudes? So you know that you're going to be looking to identify what the writers' attitudes to waste are. The next thing you're going to be focusing on is how do they show those attitudes to waste? So those are the really key things that you should be thinking about when you're answering the comparison question 6.